how we do implant surgery on 4 treatment or on 6 treatments. Firstly, I have to inform you about the implant surgery. Implant surgery is not a one-stage treatment. It has to be 2 stages. Actually, there is some cases that we finish in one visit. It's called immediate implantation and immediate loading, but this is risky. So we mostly prefer 2 steps for making implant treatments. In first visits, you need to stay in Kuşadası about, we prefer 6 days, because after surgery we want to check you out, we want to control your mouth, and before you leave we want to make a temporary denture or temporary crowns for you, because after implant surgery we have to wait at least 2 months for healing process, for fusion. That implant has to be fused to your bone, and this process needs to take time. And it's like when you broke your arms, it has to be stable in 2 months, So same as in implant surgery, we have to wait, and it's very important to your implant's lifespan. And the second visit, the return visit after 2 months or more, we prefer more. Maybe you can come 6 months later, 1 year later or more, no problem with it. When you come for the second visit, you need to stay here again 6 nights, but some rare cases we need more time for making the fixed prothesis or fixed crown bridges. The first day we need to see here, and we place some gingival formers. We need to make a shape for the permanent crowns. We need to shape your gums first, and afterwards I'll place some scanning parts onto your implants. And we use in our clinic digital dentistry. We use intraoral scanners, and we make 3D models of your jaw, and you will see your 3D jaws model in our computer, and the whole manufacturing process will be in digitals. And my laboratory going to design your denture or design your prothesis, bridges in digital way. There is no handmade work in our job right now. We use computer-aided manufacturing style. And probably the 5th day or the 6th day, probably the 5th day, we need to see you here again, and we have a trying session, and you will see your teeth in your mouth, the proper teeth in your mouth, and so on. We continue.